Hey guys, Aaron here. So today I'm going to be going over what Samsung considers to be the actual fix to the ice maker issue in a lot of the French door models they have. Alright, so this is an update to a video I did about a year ago on how to fix the Samsung ice maker issue. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I do recommend going back and watching it, as it is part of the overall recommended Samsung fix. And I'll link to it in the description below as well as at the end of the video. But like I said, I do recommend watching it, as I do go into a little bit more depth on one of the recommended solutions to the issue. And it's also something you can do immediately to help alleviate the problem. Also, make sure you stick around to the end and I'll tell you how I got mine fixed for free. Alright, so there are 4 parts to the recommended Samsung fix. The first one is just to seal the actual compartment, so seal the ice maker box. And my other videos goes into this a little bit more depth. That's why I recommend watching it. But essentially, we're just gonna put silicone all along the outside, inside, below, and along the side here, and we're just gonna seal that ice maker box. Next, we're gonna replace our ice maker here. Now, this is pretty easy. I actually do this in the other video as well, but you can unscrew this here. Pop this down here. And we're going to push this down here like this and pull forward. And just pull it down like that. Like I said, you don't want to damage this thing. Slide that out right there. Now I know it's tough to see back in there, but you can see that there's some Y clips back in there. So you want to add those Y clips. Those need to be installed. Alright, so the next piece is the auger here that needs to be replaced. Now, there's a little clip down actually at the bottom that you can push back and pull the auger straight out. I'm not going to do that right now, as I've already replaced mine. Alright, and the last piece of this that needs to be replaced is the main control board here. So, let's do this. All right, and that's this board here that needs to be replaced. That's just a matter of unclipping all these here. Just unclipping all these down here and down here, replacing this board, and it just pulls off on that and replace that. Not this board, just this one. And that's really all there is to it. Alright guys, so those are the 5 things that Samsung recommends for resolving the ice maker issue. I don't know how it's going to work long term. My understanding, the fix has been out for about a year, so I would have assumed Samsung would have been notified if this didn't actually work. That being said, so for me personally, I was able to contact Samsung and have a tech come out and actually replace all the parts and do all the fixes for free. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, whether that still applies, I don't know. But either way, I would definitely contact Samsung first and just talk to them about it and see what they say. If they're not able to come out and fix the issue, I will link all the parts in the description below, so you can check that out there if you need to do it yourself. As always, guys, thanks for watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you click that link below and become one. And if you found this information helpful, make sure you hit that like button and help us out with the YouTube algorithm. And we'll catch you on the next one.